Hi, my name is Stetson Lowe, and in this clip we're going to be talking about how to obtain all 3 credit reports for free. There is a government-sponsored website. It's annualcreditreport.com or annualcreditreport.com. I think they'll both take you there. And there's a place to choose your state and to obtain your credit reports there. They'll have the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And you want to go through and apply for each one individually. And they will download it pretty instantly right to the laptop or desktop computer that you're on. Those you can print out and store away. They're free once a year. I would highly recommend doing at least every year a free credit report. Then there's commercial services that you can pay for that do them quarterly or even monthly. I would say quarterly is a great way to go. Monthly might be a little overkill. But annualcreditreport.com is a free service to obtain your 3 major credit reports.